In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update business hours on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch from your personal profile to the Facebook business page that you want to manage. This is important because the business information can only be edited while you are using the page. After you are on the correct business page, look for the About tab and click on it. This section contains the main details for your business profile, including contact information, location details, and your operating hours. Inside the About section, move to the left sidebar and click on Details. This will open the area where Facebook stores the editable business information for the page. Take a moment to scroll down until you find the Hours section. When you reach the Hours section, look for the Edit icon, which appears as a small pencil next to the current business hours. Click that pencil icon to begin making changes. Facebook will open the editing options for your schedule. Now update your business days and operating hours as needed. You can adjust which days your business is open and set the correct opening and closing times for each day. Be careful to enter the schedule exactly as you want customers to see it. This is especially helpful if your hours have recently changed or if you want to correct outdated information. Once you finish entering the new hours, review all of the changes before saving them. Check each day carefully to make sure the schedule is accurate. Confirm that the opening times, closing times, and open days all match your real business operations. When everything looks correct, click Save. This will apply the updated hours to your Facebook business page. After saving, wait a moment for the changes to process. Finally, confirm that the updated hours are now displayed on your page. This last check helps you make sure that visitors will see the correct schedule when they view your business information. Keeping your business hours updated on Facebook helps customers know exactly when you are available. It also improves trust and reduces confusion for anyone planning to visit or contact your business. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.